Hey guys, Chung Dha here. We are here at the Diety booth at BIR-TV 2019. Here we have something very interesting. This is the Diety HD-TX, which is not only a transmitter but also a recorder. So this is something very interesting because this as basically if you are a professional sound engineer or sound recorder, sound guy, basically anything to do with sound, you will find this very interesting because this records sounds but also is a transmitter. So if you have like the Diety receiver pack, you can transmit it to the receiver, but also you can have like a backup recording inside of here. Here on the side we have a micro SD card we can put in here and record internally in this itself. This doesn't really use an external battery. It has an internal battery that lasts for 10 hours that can be fast charged with a USB Type-C, and also we have here a headphone jack. So if you are like using this for like interviews and hand holding this, or if you are booming and somebody else is controlling the sound, at least as a boom operator, you can also listen to the sound with this headphone jack out. Also, this has a 3.5 millimeter jack and also XLR jack. So if you aren't using this as an XLR, you can still use this as in combination with a clip mic. And of course, this XLR is phantom powered, so just put in this Diety S mic. So this is with a mic attached. This, even though this is actually still a prototype, so this is a quite interesting receiver or quite interesting transmitter with a built-in recorder. It has a quite interesting menu and algorithm system, and basically because it has a recording function, you can be sure that you have clean sound, because honestly, if you ever work with wireless transmitters before, you're always afraid you're going to lose signal, you have interference and everything, and having that backup recording inside of here that will be always clean, that makes a huge difference. And it also makes it syncing up much easier because it's the same sound, same signal, so it'd be easier to sync up this proper sound than like having a whole separate sound that sounds awful to like a scratch sound from a camera to sync to like a recorder. So this, you get a proper sound signal that you can properly sync up to. So yeah, this is a very interesting product to look out for if you are into like wireless but also want to have the safety of like an extra recording. So this is brand new at IBC. If you are interested, there'll be a link in the description below to more information about this. And if you're new to this channel and want to see more upcoming videos, please hit that subscribe button here below, and also make sure to hit that bell icon so you're always updated when I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.